Have you been searching for a free screen recording solution that offers high-quality recording, no time limits, and no watermarks? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen without any annoying watermarks or time restrictions in just 1 minute. Whether you're creating tutorial videos, making a presentation, live streaming, or anything else, this method will have you recording like a pro. Let me introduce EaseUS Online Screen Recorder to you. You can search EaseUS Online Screen Recorder on any search engine or go check the link below to go direct to the website. Let's take a view at its basic function. This is an online recording website, which means you don't need to download any extra apps or software, and it's totally free to use. You can choose to record an entire screen or a specific window according to your needs. It has no watermark or time limit at all. Want to record with external microphone and webcam? No problem. EaseUS Online Screen Recorder is always happy to help you. Now, let's see how to use this Facilitate tool to record your computer or phone screen. First, scroll back to the main page of EaseUS Online Screen Recorder and click the orange button says Start Recording to begin. Before recording, the website will pop out a small window to require the permission of your microphone and webcam. These two options work well, and you can continue recording now. Click the rec button below the preview window to choose which area you'd like to record with. You can also choose whether to share the system's sound or not here. Click Share button and you will get the preview of your recording. Don't forget to set for your microphone and webcam in this step. After all settings are done, it's time to start recording. There will be a 3-second countdown for you to prepare. EaseUS Online Screen Recorder does have some benefits. For example, Xbox Game Bar won't allow you to record the Windows desktop, which makes it difficult to make a computer tutorial video. With EaseUS, you have no need to worry about these. Just click and all things on your screen can be recorded for further editing. After recording, just go back to the web page and click the Done button from the bottom right corner. Then click Save Video and the recording video will be saved on the Download File folder of your computer. EaseUS Online Screen Recorder is perfect for most daily uses, like recording tutorials like this, recording online courses, and live streaming. It's your go-to tool for screen recording. If you're looking for more advanced features, you can download EaseUS Screen Recorder for gaming and additional settings. There you have it, guys. That's my video on how to record screen online without a watermark and time limit, and it's completely free. Please let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, if you learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your like and share mean a lot to us. I will catch you in the next one.